Simplex Chithyola basi riyo angati mkulu wa chipani chotsutsa iti mtsogoleri wa chipani chotsutsa ku nyumba ya malamulo basi wauza anthu kumene kuja kuti ayi ife tiyeni tikamuone Vs Namiwa titseke parliament. Ayi ndithu bwino ake mnali yena mamwe maamuza kuti akulu inu mukafuna kumupha amene uja. Koma amayi Mary Navich amayankhula mawu pasipasipo mawu amenewo ineyo sindikuamvetsetsa koma amatiti kumangana mukapanga zimenezo zitikumangana amene angakwanise kukapanga capture amenewo mawu amenewo ayatiuze kwa akuluakulu. Mayi Mary Navich ayankhula mawu amayankhulanso mokweza mawu amene kuti mukapanga zakuti tikumangana koma sindizuti amati chani chimene chocho.
To inform this house and the Malawians of what I witnessed this morning. Malawi is slowly becoming a police state. It seems the police are being directed on what to do to specific individuals. Mr. Speaker, sir, this morning I went to Lingad's police after somebody tipped me that Namiwa was in bad shape. Right Honorable Speaker, Namiwa was arrested yesterday around 3 o'clock, and since yesterday, he was not allowed to eat because those that brought food to him were denied access to. He was denied access to his lawyer, and I was the only person who had been allowed to see him. And even that morning, Right Honorable Speaker, I faced resistance. A police officer called Mr. Mpemba told me that he must get authority from Mr. Mpezen, the officer in charge, to allow me to see Mr. Namiwa. I had to wait more than 1 hour, and when I requested to pray for him, they actually told me that they are under instructions that nobody should pray for him. Mr. Speaker, sir, is this the reformed police that we are talking about? Is Malawi becoming a police state? Mr. Speaker, sir, if anyone has dissenting views, Right Honorable Speaker, I would like to make mention that there is speculation that he's going to be held in custody up to next week. And then what will happen to his health? Because if you look at him, Right Honorable Speaker, he's really in very bad shape. I understand that we have our good Minister of Homeland Security here. I would like, therefore, to request this House either to suspend so that we go and see him, or that there should be an immediate and unconditional release of Sylvester Namiwa. The police should conform to the dictates of police reforms and the Constitution, and that government should take him to court today if there is any charge, or to release him. Right Honorable Speaker, the Malawi Human Rights Commission and Inspector General of Police must investigate these humane conditions of detention. Right Honorable Speaker, Malawi will always rise against any maladministration, and we believe that these things of arresting people and putting them under detention must stop. Right Honorable Speaker, I submit and we demand unconditional release of the activists now.
Thank you, Leader of Opposition. Yes, Leader of the House.
Mr. Speaker, sir, we are a house of decorum, and they are always guided by our standing orders. I am surprised that my colleague, who is well knowledgeable about these things, can stand in this house and speak without following the same procedures. That is number one. Number two, I'm just as surprised that suddenly that side seems to align with the very person they wanted to kill at some point. The very people. They have suddenly become angels
They almost killed the young man. They never followed the rule of the law. They almost killed the young man. Today, they are becoming holier. No, when someone has broken the law will follow us, all of us, apparently. If we have broken the law will follow us. All we must do is to be law-abiding citizens. If Mr. Namiwa has broken any law, the law is simply following him. I should hope, but we're not condemning Namiwa, no. We are saying if he has broken, because the police cannot act. If they only act if they are convinced that the law has been broken. We must allow the due processes to take precedence, to take order. That would be my take. But today, Mr. Speaker, is our day, it's a government day. My colleague is usurping the day without any authority. Mr. Speaker, sir, I'm not reflecting on your office, but I'm on a big factor. On a serious note, let us allow our law enforcement agencies to do their work unhindered. Today it is him, tomorrow it would be me. As long as we break the law, we'll surely be apprehended. Let us be law-abiding citizens. That would be my party short, Mr. Speaker, sir. I submit. Meanwhile, let's proceed with business. We've got good business. We've got reports that we want to table today. Let's have enough time to do government business. I submit, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Point of order, Mwanza Central.
Namiwa should come out. Mugantu usise. Ndipo sisi sote tukudikira failo kala janja atuluke Namiwa chifukwa chimene ali kundende njani. Chimene akuikalira kuti wagoneranji kuseyo. Why is Namiwa in this? Why wagoneranji? Kwa issue isudi itela pamene babaso. Chifukwa chimene chikufunikira kuti Namiwa uja atuluke. It's not even for Namiwa. Tikamanya kuti Namiwa atuluke sudi fe tukunkonda Namiwa. Tukuma we are against police state. Tukudana ndikunena Namiwa utaka kuti bena nchito ndimene kupa ndikumemanya inyo amalayo ngakhale niyo Namiwa muli bena nchito ngakhale madana naye inyo MCP ngakhale muli bena nchito, you should fight for Namiwa to be this for yourselves. Chifukwa ngati they will get away with this inyo MCP mukuona ngati kuti akumangani mbwa inyo anyamata azikwanje ina ano azibale ano amanyamula azikwanje kumathamangisa ndi mukuona ngati niyo muli safe ngati Namiwa amene niyo munakwapula ndi zikwanjezo amangidwaso ndi boma limene ndi mukuona ngati niyo muli safe. Let us rise up before it's too late. Before it's too late. Zisana fige pa mwana wakanaphala. Mazi asana pange asana tantani katondo. Mazi asana fige nkhosi. Tiyeni tizukire tipange zimene tingapange.